Let me show you how I make my very special Swedish meatballs. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground meat, breadcrumbs, egg, minced garlic, and milk. Season generously with salt and black pepper. Mix everything together thoroughly until the ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture is smooth. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them between your palms to form small, round balls. Aim for the size of a walnut. Heat 2 cubes of butter and a drizzle of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Place the meatballs in the pan, ensuring you leave enough space between them so they don't steam. Turn them gently until they are browned on all sides and cooked through. Remove the meatballs from the pan and set them aside. Whisk in the flour. Continue whisking until it forms a smooth, light brown paste. Slowly pour the broth into the pan while whisking constantly to ensure there are no lumps. Stir in the cooking cream, soy sauce, and mustard. Once the sauce is velvety and rich, remove to a serving plate and add in the meatballs. Garnish the dish with a generous sprinkle of fresh parsley. And bon appétit!